Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. I am Naveed Jilani, math teacher on behalf of SLS Montessori and High School, Senior Section Lala Zabak Rawalpindi. SLS has taken a very good initiative of online teaching. It will help you all to study in a safe environment. Now we will do exercise 5.3. Question number 6. The remainder after dividing the polynomial p of x equal x cube plus ax square plus 7 by x plus 1 is to be. Calculate the value of a and b if this expression leaves a remainder of b plus 5 on being divided by x minus 2. Now as the question says that the polynomial after dividing by x plus 1 will give us a remainder of 2b. This is the first condition of the question. The polynomial is p of x equal x cube plus ax square plus 7. From x plus 1 equal to 0, we get d of x equal minus 1. P minus 1 equal minus 1 cube plus a minus 1 square plus 7. Solving the brackets. Minus 1 plus a plus 7. A plus 6. Equating the remainder to 2b. A plus 6 equal 2b. Equation A, first condition. The second condition that the question demands is that when the polynomial is divided by x minus 2, it will give us a remainder of b plus 5. The polynomial is p of x, x cube plus ax square plus 7. From x minus 2 equal to 0, we get d of x equal 2. Replacing p2 equal 2 raised power cube plus a 2 raised power square plus 7. Solving the brackets. 8 plus 4a plus 7. 4a plus 15. Equating to the remainder b plus 5. According to question, 4a plus 15 equal b plus 5, second condition. 4a minus b equal 5 minus 15. 4a minus b equal minus 10 equals b. By solving a and b simultaneously, a plus 6 equals 2b. Take 2b on the other side and 6 on the other for making coefficients with a and b at one side and constants at one side. A minus 2b equal minus 6 from 1. 4a minus b equal minus 10 from b. Multiplying b by 2 so that we can eliminate the value of b in order to find out the value of a. 8a minus 2b equal minus 20 from b, equation number 2. Subtracting 1 from 2. A minus 2b minus 8a minus 2b equal minus 6 minus minus 20. As minus sign, change all the sign in the bracket, so a minus 2b minus 8a plus 2b equal minus 6 plus 20 plus 2b and minus 2b will be cancelled as same number with opposite sign cancel out each other. 7a equal minus 14. A equal minus 14 over 7. A equal minus 2. Replacing the value of a in equation a minus 2b equal minus 6 from a. Minus 2 minus 2b equal minus 6. Minus 2b equal minus 4. Therefore, b equals to 2. Thus, a equal minus 2, b equals to 2. Question number 7. The polynomial x cube plus lx square plus mx plus 24 has a factor x plus 4 and it leaves a remainder of 36. When divided by x minus 2, find the values of L and M. Now the question says that the polynomial has a factor that is x plus 4, so the remainder must be 0. The polynomial px equal x cube plus lx square plus mx plus 24. From x plus 4 equate to 0, we get d of x equal minus 4, p minus 4 equal minus 4 whole cube plus L minus 4 square plus m into minus 4 plus 24. Solving the brackets. Minus 64 plus 16L minus 4m plus 24 plus 16L minus 4m minus 40. As x plus 4 is a factor of the polynomial, for this reason equating it to 0. 16L minus 4m minus 40 equals to 0. First condition. Dividing by 4, as table of 4 can be divided on it. 4L minus m minus 10 equals to 0. Taking constant on the other side, 4L minus m equals to 10. Equation. The second condition of the question is that when the polynomial is divided by x minus 2, so it gives us a remainder of 36. The polynomial is p of x cube plus lx square plus mx plus 24. From x minus 2 equals to 0, we get d of x equals to 2. Replacing value of x, 2 p2 equal 2 raised power cube plus L 2 raised power square plus m into 2 plus 24. Solving the brackets. Equal 8 plus 4L plus 2m plus 24. 4L plus 2m plus 32. According to question, equating it to 36. 4L plus 2m plus 32 equal 36. Second condition. Taking 32 on the other side of equal for solving the constant at one side while the coefficients with variables at one side of 4L plus 2m equal 36 minus 32. 4L plus 2m equals to 4. Table of 2 can be divided on all the terms above, so dividing the above by 2, 2L plus m equals to 2. B equation, 4L minus m equals to 10 from A. By adding A and B, we get 2L plus m plus 4L minus m equal 2 plus 10. 2L plus m plus 4L minus m equals to 12. M and minus m will cancel each other. 6L equals to 12 from A plus B. L equals to 2. Putting L equals to 2 in A for getting the value of m. 4L minus m equals to 10. 4 into 2 minus m equals to 10. 8 minus m equals to 10. Minus m equals 10 minus 8. Minus m equals to 2. M equals to minus 2. Thus, L equals to 2, M equals to minus 2 is required answer. Question number 8. The expression Lx cube plus mx square minus 4 leaves remainder of minus 3 and 12. When divided by x minus 1 and x plus 2 respectively, calculate the values of L and M. The first condition is that when the polynomial is divided by x minus 1, it gives a remainder of minus 3. The polynomial is p of x, lx cube plus mx square minus 4. From x minus 1 equal to 0, we get d of x equals to 1. Replacing the value, p1 equal L 1 cube plus m 1 square minus 4. Solving the brackets, L plus m minus 4. According to question, equating L plus m minus 4 to minus 3. L plus m minus 4 equal minus 3, first condition. L plus m equal minus 3 plus 4. L plus m equals to 1, equation A. The second condition is that when the polynomial is divided by x plus 2, it gives a remainder of 12. P of x, Lx cube plus mx square minus 4. From x plus 2 equals to 0, we get d of x equals to minus 2. Replacing the value, p minus 2 equal L minus 2 cube plus m minus 2 square minus 4. Solving the brackets, minus 8L plus 4m minus 4. According to question, equating minus 8L plus 4m minus 4 to 12. Minus 8L plus 4m minus 4 equal 12, second condition. Minus 8L plus 4m equal 12 plus 4. Minus 8L plus 4m equal 16. As all the terms are divisible by minus 4, so we get 2L minus m equal minus 4, equation B. L plus m equals to 1 from A. Adding A and B, 2L minus m plus L plus m equal minus 4 plus 1. 2L minus m plus L plus m equal minus 3. Minus m and m will cancel each other. 3L equal minus 3 from A plus B. L equal minus 1. Putting L equals to minus 1 in A. L plus m equals to 1. Minus 1 plus m equal 1. M 1 plus 1, m equals to 2. Thus, L equals to minus 1, m equals to 2 is required answer. Question number 9. The expression ax cube minus 9x square plus bx plus 3a can be divided by x square minus 5x plus 6. Find the values of a and b. By midterm breaking, x square minus 5x plus 6, we get x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6. Making pairs and taking common, x minus 2 minus 3, x minus 2. X minus 2 again common, x minus 2, x minus 3. If x square minus 5x plus 6 divides the expression ax cube minus 9x square plus bx plus 3a, then x minus 2 and x minus 3 will also divide it. The polynomial is p of x equal ax cube minus 9x square plus bx plus 3a. From x minus 2 equal to 0, we get d of x equals 2. p2 equal a 2 whole cube minus 9 2 square plus b into 2 plus 3a. Solving the brackets, 8a minus 36 plus 2b plus 3a. 11a plus 2b minus 36. As the question says that the x square minus 5x plus 6 can be divided to p of x, so the remainder will be 0. 11a plus 2b minus 36 equals to 0, first condition. Taking the constant on the other side, 11a plus 2b equals to 36. The polynomial is p of x ax cube minus 9x square plus bx plus 3a. p3 equal a 3 cube minus 3 minus 9 3 raised power square plus b3 plus 3a. Solving the brackets, 27a minus 81 plus 3b plus 3a. 30a plus 3b minus 81, as the question says that the x square minus 5x plus 6 can be divided to p of x, so the remainder will be 0. 30a plus 3b minus 81 equals to 0. Second condition, taking constant on the other side, 30a plus 3b equals to 81, equation B. As we can see that table of 3 can be divided on B. 10a plus b equals to 27, equation C. 11a plus 2b equals to 36, equation A. 10a plus b equals to 27, equation C. Multiplying C by 2 so that coefficients of b becomes same and can be cancelled. 20a plus 2b equals to 54, equation D. 11a plus 2b equals to 36, equation A. Subtracting a from D, 20a plus 2b minus 11a plus 2b equal 54 minus 36. 20a plus 2b minus 11a minus 2b equal 18. 2b and minus 2b will be cancelled. 9a equal 18 from D minus A equal 2. Replacing value of A in equation C to get the value of B. 10a plus b equal 27 from C. 10 into 2 plus b equal 27, putting a equals to 2. 20 plus b equal 27. B 27 minus 20, thus a equals to 2 and b equals to 7 is the required answer. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you beta. Allah Hafiz.